Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 23rd of February with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's have a look at Eurodollar now, and we've seen this big breakdown yesterday in Eurodollar. It changes my outlook. I had been talking consistently about the 1050 to 11 figure big pivot band support, and we've broken through that. A closing break below that sees the breakdown of that move, and we're now into what I think is going to become a period of trading between the old support band around 108 figure and up towards 110.50. I think that looking at the momentum indicators, they're all confirming that we're seeing this breakdown. We've got the stochastics accelerating lower, the MACD lines crossing lower, and the RSI doesn't look great either. If you see the RSI, for example, pushing below the reaction low at around 40, that would, I think, turn into really quite a sharp move, possibly to the downside, because that would be certainly indicative of what we'd see it being a test of that 108 figure level. But at the moment we're just still selling off, correcting into this old support band, and as I said, that changes the outlook. It's very interesting because this is the hourly chart. We've seen the breakdown yesterday and the reaction high 10.48 I think it was today. Interesting that that old pivot line of 1050 is now becoming the new resistance, and we saw another reaction thinking about it just there, 1051. So that is a big resistance now. The market will be looking at that as being the new ceiling. So between 1050 and 11 figure, that could now become a sell zone. The market's selling off in the last sort of hour or so, and looking pretty much as though that is under pressure once again, and that sell-off in the euro seems to have come in the wake of that slightly disappointing German IFO data. So rallies looks to be a chance to sell now on the euro, and we've already seen the move rolling over. So 1050 is a nice band of resistance coming in now for the bears. Interesting that we're now back into the initial sort of line of support. I'll get the crosshair up, and it's sort of around 109.90, and it is. So let me just reset that. Around 109.90 were these old sort of highs in this sort of December-January time, and that is actually to the pip where we've seen the low today, the trade low 109.90. So that is obviously an area of support initially, but I think if you see the euro starting to move back into that, I think it's probably going to start to come and turn into a bit of a consolidation between the 108 and 110.50 area. But it certainly looks like you're taking on more of a negative outlook near term on the euro now. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.